again, I invite you. We have one more step, the L, the middle, and the last three we combine in one exercise. So it's just 2 left. But we have reached in the 7ness, the number 4 is the middle. And that means that the L somehow will introduce what comes afterwards. So it must be somehow connection. And the basic gesture of the L is that you sometimes start out here, like as if you would touch the surface of the earth. Then you embrace this earth, the big ball, yeah? And lovingly you bring it to your heart, you let the flows come through your body to your heart. And you let it become a bud. A bud of potential, which after a while, through the forces of the heart, yeah, can transform, can open up, and the petals look into the world, and the flower blossoms up. Until the leaves become weak, and again return to the surface of the earth, and the circle starts again. I embrace the earth. I bring its currents to my heart. I listen to what I receive. I transform it and into a sort of gazing into another sphere, the sphere of the atmosphere, you could say. And then again, you arrive. You embrace the earth. And you come again to your center. And here, for us, it's now important that that's a crucial moment. In a way, the L stands between the realm of earth, the realm of matter, and the realm of spirit, of light, yeah, of darkness. And between those two forces, all growth and all development takes place. But in our course, we have to put specific care on this moment that the growth does not lose control and becomes a growth just for itself. And what is important here is that how we open up to this space of light is not that we flow into it, but that we receive inspiration from there. So when you have your hands on your heart, then just open up your arms to this sphere of light to receive light into your body. And look a little bit how to have to open my cells, in my arms, in my fingers, that it feels something streams towards me. And let go. And you know from everyday life that in order to receive, you do not have to grasp things and pull them towards you. Sometimes a smile, yeah, a gesture of openness is the clue that what you want, or what fits to you, comes. Yeah. So rather try to find how to have to open my cells so fine that they attract what is helpful for me. So again, start at your heart. Slowly open a little bit, not too much, not too wide, and then just study how to have to perceive the cells of my arms, the cells of my body, that they somehow blossom in such a way that light feels invited to come and nourish it. and let go. And breathe. And before letting go, I always invite you to come to your heart first, because that's the place where you are anyway. You never lose the center, and your hands just want to be where you are. And then when they found you, then they can relax much better. So when you notice that you come forward after finishing it, you know it was perfect. And that's what in Eurythmy we call the R. Not the A. It's really R. The mouth does not move. It's just R. Just this openness which allows things to come. Now let's try to bring this quality as a sort of healing quality or inspiration quality into this L movement. From our heart, we just very carefully, it's heart connected, and it's heart smile in the cells of your body, in the cells of our arms. And then bring this light along, and then let it like droplets of light through your fingertips, through your hands, drop into the sphere. Yeah? Become currents or liquids of light streaming through the earth, and from there nourishing your heart and arriving. The light has gone through the earth, and its biography somehow can unfold in your heart. And let's try again. Open up. Just so far that the light feels invited. Take it along to the left and right. And let it drop. Fingers first, lower arms follow, upper arms last, to create this gesture of love, of ooh, which brings you to the toes. Il to your heart. Meditate the whole path in your heart. I'm behind. Oh, I'm in front. Heart. I'm in my center. And breathe, relax. Let your breath react. Breathe and sit down. When you feel the right side of your body in the right arm, and the left side of the body in your left arm, and they feel the same, then you should look a little bit closer, because there are no two same things in the world. So just look for a difference between the right side and right arm of your body and the left side and the left arm. And if it feels very different, just enjoy to be so, feeling-wise, so different. And when you look at your gaze, how you look through your eyes, do you have the impression you look with a sharp gaze outside? Or is it more a receptive way of looking? It's easy to change it as soon as you want to have it different changes. But how is it when you just look in a naive way? You don't know if it's now changed or not, just take it as it is. And how do you feel your throat? Do you have a long throat or a short throat? Never mind, afterwards you will be as beautiful as before again, but at the moment, how is it feeling-wise now? And don't forget breathing, relaxing, and just being with yourself.